Good morning guys. Today is January 12. January 13 pala. January 13, Monday. So bali medyo meron tayong sipon, pero mag-check tayo ng timbang kung ilan na tayo. Okay. $72.45, pero double check natin. Okay, sampa ulit tayo. Okay, 72.45 din. Ito yung P6 natin ngayon, guys. Ito yung P6 natin ngayon, guys. Pagkatapos, yan siya. Ay, itsura natin, guys. Ayan. May arm. Okay, guys. Hindi naman tayo nagmamadali. So, kagaya na sinabi ko, mahabang panahon natin ito gagawin. Ayun, 72.45 tayo as of today.